In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in PowerPoint using keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're preparing a presentation or trying to organize your slides better, being able to efficiently group and ungroup objects can be a real time saver. Let's dive right in and get you comfortable with these essential shortcuts. First, let's talk about grouping objects. Imagine you have multiple shapes, images, or text boxes that you want to treat as a single entity. Grouping them together allows you to move, resize, or format them collectively rather than having to adjust each one individually. To group objects in PowerPoint, start by selecting the objects you want to group. You can do this by clicking and dragging a selection box around all the objects. Alternatively, you can hold down the Control key if you're on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac and click on each object individually. This method gives you precise control, especially if your objects are scattered across the slide. Once you've selected all the objects you wish to group, it's time to apply the keyboard shortcut. On a Windows computer, you'll press Ctrl and G simultaneously. For those working on a Mac, the shortcut is Command, Option, and G. This action will immediately group your selected objects into one cohesive unit, allowing you to easily manipulate them as a single object. Now let's shift gears and discuss ungrouping. Perhaps you need to adjust one element of your group, or you want to break them apart for a different reason. Whatever the case may be, ungrouping is just as straightforward as grouping. Begin by selecting the grouped object that you want to ungroup. Simply click on it and you'll see the bounding box around the entire group, indicating that it's currently selected as a whole. To ungroup, you'll use another convenient keyboard shortcut. For Windows users, press Ctrl, Shift, and G together. If you're on a Mac, you'll press Command, Option, and Shift, followed by G. This will break the objects apart, returning them to their individual, separate forms, ready for individual adjustments. And there you have it. Grouping and ungrouping objects in PowerPoint is a simple process that with practice can greatly enhance your workflow. Remember, these keyboard shortcuts are a fantastic way to increase your efficiency, saving you time and effort while working on dynamic and visually appealing presentations. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you just how easy it is to manage objects on your slides using keyboard shortcuts. As always, practice makes perfect, so give it a try on your next presentation. Thanks for joining me today, and happy PowerPoint designing.